Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: device, account email, and the current parental PIN or password if available. Once ready, unlock the device and open Settings or the Parental Controls app. This gives you the menu where change is live. If you lack the current PIN, make sure the account recovery email or phone is ready because you may need it. Make sure you have administrator access. Without it, you cannot change the parental controls password, so sign in as the account owner now. You now navigate the menu, open Family, Accounts, or Parental Controls, and pick the Child Profile or Parental Control item. Once selected, choose Change Password or Reset PIN. The system will require verification to protect the account. Enter your account password, use biometric confirmation, or request a recovery code sent to your verified email or phone. While doing this, pay attention to password rules, length, digits, and any special character requirements. Enter a strong new password and confirm it to proceed. Once you set the new password, save changes and sign out, then sign back in to ensure new credentials apply across devices. Test the parental controls by attempting a restricted action on the child profile and adjust time limits or content filters as needed. If you cannot reset because verification fails, use the recovery email or phone to get a code or initiate account recovery. If that still fails, contact the device or service support with proof of ownership so they.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.